Some of our smaller products, just for personal wear, we've got these pendants.
There we go.
All right, we have all of our different pendants. These have been very popular. We started out with the pendants. You'll notice that there's a design on the pendants, the same designs on the plates as well. It's like a flower of life sort of design. It's just a pattern. And now, just to let you guys know, the reason why we chose this particular pattern is because it looks like a pattern in nature. So if you look at like a sunflower, a close-up of a sunflower, you'll see that plants grow in a certain kind of fractal pattern. Yeah. So we wanted something that was just kind of a neutral design that was just emulating what is in nature. Yeah. So that's why we chose this flower of life kind of pattern. But you can see that it's a very distinctive one. Now, Tavon designed this design. You used like a CAD package on a computer.
Yes,
right?
Yeah, all of these were designed using a CAD package to create the 3D master.
Right.
For the molds for this.
And that's actually a good idea. Let's tell people how we've created these molds, because we've gotten this question and we've gotten some questions from other people too. Like, we have one design on our products. Why do we not have like you know, hundreds and hundreds of different designs? This is what happens. This is how we make the products. Tavon will he'll design this particular design on a computer program with a CAD package, right? A CAD computer program. Yeah. He then can send that program to some kind of a big manufacturing lab that has CNC machining material, and they will then etch that out using their machines onto a mold or a master. They call it a master. Yeah. And then you take that master and then you can make a mold out of that master, and then you can re-pour your several different ones. So this is the process that we have perfected over the last couple of years. However, we do have some new designs like this one. We've been playing around a bit with some Moroccan designs as well, because we're in Morocco and there's all kinds of beautiful craftsmanship that goes on here with a lot of the different tile work and everything. This is a shungite orgonite tile that we've made with a Moroccan design, and so this is just one that we're starting out with. So little by little we will be creating new designs, but so that's the process behind behind making the different molds. Yeah. And somebody actually did ask, when are you going to do your silicone mold video? Because we did a how we make it video. Yes. We'll do another one of those probably, and then also do a how we make our silicone molds as well. Yes. Because people are like, you know, a lot of people want to make their own orgonite, and we really encourage that. Yes. You know, please, we need more Orgone energy to combat.
The more people replicating these effects, the better.
Yeah, absolutely. It takes a lot of time. It takes a lot of time, and you have to make a lot of mistakes. Like Tavon must have he doesn't throw out the orgonite.
Not anymore. Yeah.
You know, we keep all the defects pieces, so we just have like this castle of orgonite now that we live in, but. He had he'll make an orgonite piece and it didn't come out right, so he'd have I can't use that one, it's not good enough to sell. So we've had a lot of mistakes, a lot of trial and error, and you have to be prepared. If you're going to make your own orgonite, you have to be prepared to spend that kind of money on all the excess supplies and the shipping, because you're probably going to mess it up. At least the first time while you're figuring out your own technique,
exactly.
Right?
Yes, that's right.
So that's just the way it works. Let's talk about these bracelets too.
Great.
Right, because now what we've got is a matching bracelet and pendant set. Yeah. So this is our newest. So you can see we've got different matching bracelets and pendants. We have them in blue. I think this blue is gorgeous. It's a holographic blue, so it kind of like shimmers a bit when you shade it in the light. The shungite, this is one of our best-selling sets, actually.
Shungite combo.
The shungite combo. A shungite pendant with the shungite bracelet. Yeah. Nice, sleek black look. We also have it in our original bronze. Okay. Original bronze as well. And this is our other bestseller, the purple. The purple color, we chose this because the name of our organization or our company is Fix the World. And the color for the themes for Fix the World has always been purple and gold. Mm-hmm. So we chose a purple one, kind of like to celebrate our company and what we do. We do a bunch of different things. The Orgone's really taken over, actually. Yes. We've become known for that. We work with energy as well. We do humanitarian type projects and energy work. So the purple color was to celebrate our company, and it's actually one of our best sellers. Yes. People love that purple color. I do too. So it's the one that I wear, actually. So. So we've got that as well, and we have these great these matching sets or the pendants, and this is a great way to try the Orgonite for yourself to see if you like it or not.
Yeah.
Now, before we go on to our next product, talking about our garden sets.
Yes.
Let's talk a bit about how people can contact us.
Right.
Okay. Because we have a phone number now. It took a while, but we did actually get a phone number. So I'll put that up on the bottom of the screen if any time you want to give us a call. Mm-hmm. Just to let you guys know, we actually prefer emails because it's kind of difficult to get back to folks because we're in a different time zone than most of our customers. I mean, our customers are all over the world. Mm-hmm. So it's easier for us to get back to you via email, but we do have a phone number. You can give us a call and leave a message. And we will return your call within 24 to 48 hours. We try really hard to get back to everybody between 24 to 48 hours. We literally, we're every day we're answering customer emails. We've been calling some of our customers back because some people have some questions, and if you wanted to talk to us, that's one way that you can do it. You can always email us. We've been answering emails as well, and we do the best that we can to keep up with them, but we're really grateful that you guys are writing to us and that we have the opportunity to correspond back and forth with you to answer questions and to help you guys out, because we had to figure out how to use this in our own lives just from our own trial and error, and we feel so blessed that we can actually share that information and help other people, right? Every package that goes out, every single package that we send out, there's like this feeling like we're doing like this little bit of good to help that particular person, that family, to clean up their environment and to improve their health and to enjoy the power of Orgone energy in their lives, right?
Yeah, that's right.